Hook, have you ever wondered why Monzo seems so different from traditional banks? It's not just the sleek app or the vibrant card designs. Behind the scenes, Monzo has a unique relationship with a specific bank that powers its operations. In this video, we'll dive deep into the question, what bank does Monzo use? Building context. Monzo's rise. Let's start by understanding Monzo's journey. Founded in 2011, Monzo initially operated as a current account provider in the UK. Its focus on digital banking, customer-centric features, and transparent fees quickly gained traction. The power of partnerships. To offer a comprehensive banking experience, Monzo needed to partner with an established bank. This partnership would provide the necessary infrastructure, regulatory compliance, and access to the wider banking network. The EBA Clearinghouse. A unique partnership, Monzo's strategic choice was to partner with the EBA Clearinghouse. This might sound unfamiliar, but it's a crucial player in the European banking landscape. What is EBA Clearing? EBA Clearing is a pan-European payments institution. It operates a network that connects banks and financial institutions across Europe, enabling them to process payments efficiently and securely. The benefits of EBA Clearing. By partnering with EBA Clearing, Monzo gained several advantages. Access to a vast network. EBA Clearing's network ensures that Monzo can process payments to and from any bank in Europe. Regulatory compliance. EBA Clearing is a highly regulated entity, providing Monzo with the necessary oversight and compliance. Technological infrastructure. EBA Clearing's robust infrastructure supports Monzo's innovative features and services. Behind the scenes. How it works. When you use a Monzo card to make a payment, your transaction is routed through EBA Clearing's network. EBA Clearing then settles the payment between Monzo and the merchant's bank. The role of issuing banks. While Monzo doesn't have its own physical bank branches, it partners with issuing banks to provide certain services. These issuing banks act as intermediaries, handling tasks such as issuing cards and processing cash withdrawals. The future of Monzo. Expansion and innovation. As Monzo continues to grow and expand its services, its relationship with EBA Clearing is likely to evolve. Monzo may explore new partnerships or develop its own banking infrastructure to meet the changing needs of its customers. Conclusion. Summary. So, to answer the question, what bank does Monzo use? While Monzo doesn't have a traditional banking partner, it relies on the EBA Clearinghouse to power its operations. This partnership provides Monzo with access to a vast network, regulatory compliance, and the necessary infrastructure to deliver a seamless digital banking experience. Call to action. If you're interested in learning more about Monzo or digital banking in general, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Closing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.